we've got another computer. This is an Aoocci C3 Plus. Now this is the entry level screen Aoocci do. Let's get it out of the box. Oof. There you go. They always come in rather nice packaging. I think it's a start of things to come. Now I've had two of these screens now. I've had the C6 Pro and the U6, and the C6 Pro is by far the better of the two. So let's see what the C3 Plus is all about and what you get in the box. That's a bit different. It's the first one what's come, what's not had like a protective covering over it. And you're seeing what I'm seeing for the first time. So that's a 5-inch touchscreen screen. Basically, it uses the whole of the frame, so there's very little round the edge, it's just all screen. Let's pull it out, see what I reckon. That is, without doubt, the lightest of the 3 screens I've had, by a country mile. But it doesn't feel flimsy though. We'll just set it aside over here for a second, just in there, and we'll have a look what's in the bag. Look at that there. Look what we've got here. USB. So, I think what I can do is, once we've dug through this box here, and had a look what's in here, I can plug this in the van, can I? Just USB. Fantastic. Right, we'll put that over there to one side. What else have we got? Oh. Tyre pressure sensors. Now they're a nice bit of kit for a bit of a bargain screen. So this screen is Aoocci's cheapest one. It's nice to get them. If they're as good as the ones on the C6 Pro, which I'm presuming they're exactly the same, then they're great then. That's fantastic. Tyre pressure monitoring sensors. What else? Well, there's your wire for your power. Self-explanatory. Quite thick actually. Like that there, like that. What else? Bracket. Bracket. Metal. Fantastic. Yep. Metal. Fantastic that. Rubber grommets in it. So a little bit of suspension for your screen. Like anti-vibration damping. Ace. What else have we got? Oh, all the little fixtures and fittings here. So that's exactly what I'm after, because I'm going to fit it up to a mini bike, I think, or a 125, because the screen's a small enough screen that it lends itself to a small bike or an adventure bike. So yeah, all your fittings, little bag full of cable ties and all the tools you need to fit this to your bike. And oh, here we go. What's this? Screen protector. Oh, won't come out. And a screen protector, which is ideal. And here, new instructions. It's fairly idiot proof. So that is what's in the box. What we'll do is we'll plonk the bits and bobs back in here. Bracket, wires, bracket, fittings, tools, tyre pressure monitoring system. We'll plonk all that back in there. That screen has got a big thumbprint on it. Oh well. What we'll do is we'll give it a bit of a clean up and we'll stick this in the van. Now this screen comes in at about £100 But if you use our code Northern22, you'll get 22% off. So look at that's 22 quid, isn't it? So this screen's coming in at about 70 odd quid. And well, I've not had a bad one from Aoocci. I haven't had a bad screen off them. The screen itself is 800 nit brightness, so that'll be decent, really good. It's got GPS, full support for Google Maps and Waze, which a lot of people use on bikes for speed cameras, just saying. And it's going to be fully supportive of your phone, whether it's a Google phone, one of them iPhones like what I've got. This screen, dead easy, it's just going to connect straight up to your mobile phone and away you go. It's an IP67 screen, so if it's hammering down or really cold where you live, or hot for that matter, it can take it, not a problem whatsoever. It's not a bad system for the money. In fact, it's a lot cheaper than the C6 Pro, and if it's going to do Spotify, maps and all that type of stuff, this might be the way to go. I'll see you at next video when we stick this in van, fire it up, and yeah, we'll have a go of it, see if we can get it hooked up to the maps and stuff, how easy it is to connect to my phone. But for now, that was just what you get in the box with the C3 Plus. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. If you fancy one of these, don't forget, get down there in description where you'll find our code and a link which will take you direct to Aoocci store. Snag yourself a bargain. Right then, I'll catch you up next one.